Are you considering a fixer-upper as your first home? Picture this, transforming a rundown house into your dream home, one that has all of the things that you and your family would like most in a house. It's an enticing vision shared by many, yet the dream to reality is riddled with some surprising twists. As a seasoned real estate pro with over 30 years of experience, I'm here to guide you through the fun world of fixer-uppers and help you create the magic that's needed and do the steps that will take you to a successful renovation and crafting your perfect project. There's an undeniable allure to the dramatic before and after transformations of a fixer-upper. Taking something old, perhaps neglected, and breathing new life into it can be irresistible. Seriously, how many before and afters have you checked out on Pinterest and videos on YouTube? It's fun, and I've looked at thousands of them. People have done some great things with their homes, and people can really create spectacular looks. But beyond the aesthetic appeal, fixer-uppers often come with a lower cost to buy, and it offers a good opportunity to build equity through the renovations. I've witnessed remarkable transformations firsthand, turning dated, worn homes into modern, personalized spaces, not only for myself, but with clients as well. These are real-life stories about more than just changing appearances. They're about creating value and cherished memories in a space that truly becomes your own. What draws people to fixer-uppers isn't just the end result, however, but it's the journey itself. It's this blend of potential financial gain, personal fulfillment, and the joy of creating that makes fixer-uppers so alluring, especially for first-time homeowners ready to put their stamp on their first property. I think of it as another form of art, and I'm not good at other art. I am good at helping clients, as well as doing it for myself, make beautiful homes out of fixer-uppers. Diving into a fixer-upper is like embarking on a treasure hunt. Beneath layers of outdated wallpaper and worn carpet often lie hidden gems waiting to be uncovered. I always get excited about pulling up carpeting and finding gorgeous pine floors below it. It's this potential for discovery that's a big draw for renovating fixer-uppers. Now, when navigating the renovation process, it requires a keen eye and understanding what lies beneath, both literally and figuratively. Here are 4 tips and reasons to consider buying a fixer-upper as a first home. First, it's important to know cost versus the value of what you choose to do. This is crucial. Not every renovation yields a high return on investment, so prioritizing projects that increase your home value is key. For instance, updating a kitchen or a bathroom can dramatically enhance the appeal and market value, while other changes might be more about doing something that personally fits what you want in your home. Examples there could be a jacuzzi tub versus a standard tub. But since it's your home, you make the choices that work for you and your family, and you fit that into your budget and your plans. Second, for first-time home renovators, the journey can seem daunting. That's when expert guidance provides invaluable assistance to you. Knowing where to splurge, where to save is vital. Sometimes a fresh coat of paint or refinishing wood floors can transform a space without breaking the bank. Having a clear plan and budget from the start, with contingency funds for unexpected issues are common in older homes, is essential. We work really hard with our clients to help them get the key items they want into their budget and within their budget and avoid pitfalls and losses. Third, creating a personalized oasis is at the heart of every fixer-upper, and taking pride as your dream comes to life. It's tailoring the home you choose, whether it's 100 years old or 20 or even newer, to fit your lifestyle and your needs perfectly. Making decisions for an open concept kitchen for gatherings or a cozy reading nook, a playroom for your kids. It's these items that will add your personality into every corner of the home. Honestly, there's nothing like watching your vision materialize week by week. There's profound satisfaction in being hands-on, making decisions aligned with your dreams, and then seeing them come into reality. And let's not overlook the pride of a job well done. New life into old spaces, creating something beautiful, functional, and uniquely yours. And finally, and perhaps most importantly to many, is building equity through smart renovations is another compelling draw. With these strategic updates, you can significantly boost your home's market value, making it a wise, long-term investment. I love to share tips and tricks I've learned over the years with our clients to help them maximize every dollar they put into their home. And I love to see them come out with something worth so much more. Now that you're armed with knowledge and inspiration, it's time to take the leap into your fixer-upper journey. Start planning your renovation today by visualizing your goals, outlining your realistic budget, and remember, every successful project begins with a solid plan and a clear vision. Connecting with experts who can enhance your experience and maximize savings is critical. With over 30 years of experience in real estate and home renovations, I'm here to guide you through the process, ensuring you save 20 to 30% on your project. My expertise renovating and being my own general contractor can help you navigate your own home renovation while saving thousands of dollars, a lot of time, and eliminating costly mistakes. With the right preparation, support, and mindset, you can transform a house into your dream home. So why wait? Start your fixer-upper journey today and create the home of your dreams.